afternoon, everyone. This is Coral Marine's Resin Art. Going to be doing an unboxing for BeeBeeCraft. They have a great YouTube program for anybody that has at least 100 subscribers or more. If you go to their website, I will have the link in the comments. I'm sorry, not in the comments, but in the description of my video. You can set up through the information, and they'll email you back of how to get everything set up. Once you get everything set up, then you can pick out the products that you want to do for your video. And when you receive your products, they'll tell you, everything that you need to do for your videos. One will be, an unboxing, and then two will be, tutorial videos. No shorts though. They want, full videos. So we're going to get started with my unboxing. I opened it because I wanted to make sure that's what this was and not, a different package. So I just kind of sort of did a little peek, and when I realized that this was this, that's where I stopped and did not go any further. But it is very well, packaged and everything. Let me get one more scissors to finish opening the rest of the way so I can get into it without too much rattling. So on top there's approximately 800 304 stainless steel jump rings in here. And these are the, I forgot, hold on one second. I have it over here. Where are they at? What size were they? They're about 14 millimeters. I got them for some of the bigger keychain pieces. So they're a really, really good size. Oh, a couple pieces in the bottom down here. See if I can grab one out so you can see. So I got them for some of my really big, thick keychains, and even some of the necklace pieces and stuff that I do that are pretty thick and hard to get some of the pieces to go around and go through. So I wanted some that were really big and having trouble finding them, and this was absolutely perfect size. Let me switch back to the camera to make sure I'm actually in view here. But yeah, these are an excellent size, and they do have, the little slit so you can, open them. And then close them, and then I typically use UV to resin to seal them closed so they don't open back up again. But yeah, there's supposed to be about approximately 800 pieces of 304 stainless in here. So that's a really good deal. And their website says it's $10.19 for these, but it says US price is $8.15. So I'm not really sure which price I'm supposed to say on here, or if I'm supposed to actually say the prices. So I'm kind of sort of a little unclear on that part. The next one is a I got these specifically to go along with the inlays, because they're large open back bezels. I can do, a first layer of clear to have And I don't have to worry about, are they going to fit in this style? Are they going to fit in that style? But my dragon inlays. I think there's a piece of tape. Yep, tape on here. So I got these to use with those dragon inlays that are, you know, on the rather good size. And these are, let's see, what size were these? These were 35 millimeters. And they even have, you know, the little spot. So I can do just a very thin layer. And then I can get my dragon inlay in there. And just do it that way. Have it done in, you know, 2 layers instead of having to do super thick one. I can do a thinner one, and that way I'll have a good size on it. So I'm excited to be trying these out, and these will be used in future videos. So definitely excited to get these to use. Gorgeous gold color. And these were, like I said, these were 35 millimeter. And it's 20 pieces. Their price was $6.99 regular, and it said US price was $6.29. And it was they're 35 millimeter across. See if I can keep them together. I'll take them out of the bags later to sort them. Had some little notes, so I made sure I got everything correct. Excuse me. South Georgia pollen here. And this is a 2-pack of little flower molds. I'm not going to open up the second one because it's identical, but it's a 2-pack. And these are 20 millimeter. I don't know if it's the whole thing across 20 millimeter, or if it means for the size of the flower. I'm not sure on European sizes. But this was $1.69, and then it said US price was $1.61. But for 2 molds, you know, that's really good deal. And it said that this is can be a you know, because it's the clear. Already getting dust on it. It's the clear and light's passing through it, that it can be a UV mold. So that's a really good use for that as well. Pretty flower designs. Really excited to use these. Okay, maybe I will just pop this one out so I can go ahead and get it back into that other bag, because it zips up and it'll keep dust out of it. So I can get it out of this little bag now. There we go. Suction to it good. There we go. Set that over there, and then dash out of the way here. And then the other one I got move the paper so I can see here. Pardon again about this rattling, and you get this out of the way. Keep these up here. Move some of the stuff behind me so I can Sorry about that. All right, let's see. Oh, they sent 2 of them. Okay. And this one is a wall hanging design. And it has the honeycomb, some flowers, 2 bees. And it is a huge mold. Like it's, as big as my hand. So I've got a ruler. I also have, their measurements written down on here, but let's see in US size. Let's see, outside measurements, top to bottom, is right at 7 inches. And as far as the biggest width part is slightly at 1/8 1/4. And the smaller is right at 7 inches. So the biggest part is 1/8 1/4, but here to here and here to here is 7 and 7. And these ones are for the flowers. And get it lined up. Just barely under 2 inches across. Can't quite see as much with the supports on there, but it's a nice, thick, sturdy mold. Very well made. Beautiful details on here. And the other one is identical. So use one, and when it starts wearing out, you have a backup one. Or if you have crafty friends, send one to a friend. Very well made, beautiful details, and they have loads, and I do mean loads more stuff. I saw beading stuff on there. I mean, they had all kinds of stuff on there. It's not just resin supplies. They had a lot of stuff on there. Jewelry, other jewelry supplies on there, which is why I didn't just pick out molds. I picked out, I saw this on there, and I've been, trying to find a larger diameter bezel, and that came out perfectly. I think the plastic's in the way. I'll fiddle with it later. But yeah, this is, I'm sorry. This one is 2 molds for $10.19. I'm sorry, no, wait. Where are we at? The bees wall decor. The European sizes is 195 by 210 by 27 millimeters. So it's 195 millimeters by 210 millimeters by 27 millimeters. And yeah, I didn't redo the depth. So I guess the depth is right about 1/2 inch. If it's the same way all the way around. Yeah, it's right about 1/2 inch all the way around. So it's a really good size mold. And there's 2 of them. And it is $16.89 for the 2 molds. So that's a really good deal. There's some little flower vines that come up on both sides. Looks like sunflowers down here. And there's very intricate wing detail on the bees as well. Like I said, this is a very sturdy, thick silicone mold too. I mean, I'm holding it here in the center and it's not flopping down sideways. It's a very good sturdy mold. And I'm not just saying it because, it was a free product. I'm actually being honest. I'm giving an honest review. I don't do it just because I got a free thing. I honestly will give honest reviews. And I'm we'll do the same when I get to use all the products too. I'll let you know how well it handles when it comes time to, painting the molds with micas and stuff. You'll see it as I'm doing it. It'll be all, while I'm working on it and stuff. You'll get to see how all that goes. And we'll be doing one of the projects next. I'm not sure which one, but we'll get to that in one of my next videos, probably next week. And I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Thank you so much. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. This is for BeeBeeCraft. And again, if you have at least 100 subscribers and you're interested in the program, please go check them out. Because like I said, this is, awesome stuff. And they have more things than this. So if you don't do, resin stuff and you have other, projects and stuff that you do, go check out the website. I'll have that link, the regular link in there as well as the links to these specific ones. And you can check out the link to the YouTube program. I'll have that direct link in there. You can go check it out, check out their website, and see if there's anything in there you're interested in and you want to, be part of their YouTube program. All right, y'all take care. And again, thank you for all my subscribers. I hope y'all have a good day, a good week, and take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.